good? I can't. Okay, you just stay there and relax, okay? For anyone asking if she's needy, the answer is yes. Cashew.
So we've got food expert Nikole Gonzalez here joining us. Thanks so much for being here.
Good morning, Health Nuts. Welcome back to the vlog. Say hi, Matt. We are officially starting the back office reno today. So we're gonna have to do this in a few different parts because we're still waiting on some furniture for the desk, but we did get, we're doing one wall, like a bunch of shelving and stuff. So we did get that delivered from IKEA the other day. So we're gonna be working on that, building it today. I'm so excited to finally start working on that back office. It's been on our to-do list for a while. And with baby on the way, we definitely wanna get it done before she gets here. So we have like a whole plan for it. I'll actually go back there now and share with you guys. Also, I just made some oatmeal. I'm gonna eat that. Matt's he's bringing the boards. But I'll show you guys quickly what I have envisioned for the back room. All right, so you've probably seen this room a few different times. It's quite small. I actually like the color of the walls. It's just like a super light neutral gray, but there's not much happening in it. That's basically it. We have it for storage. We have photography boards in here, camera equipment, but really it's just the gateway to the outdoors. Right, Cashew? So the plan is on this wall that we're actually gonna have the desk, like a working station there, and we're gonna bring up our Mac desktop from downstairs and have it here. On this wall, I really wanna put our vision boards up. We did them early this year on really pretty frames, so I wanna get those up. Don't mind the cushion, it was raining the other day, so we just have it in. But on this wall, we have basically like floor to ceiling shelving. It's actually floating ones that we're gonna put up, and those are the ones that we're gonna be building today. So that's the plan for this room. I'm so excited, especially having a baby on the way and being a work from home mommy, or I'm going to be a work from home mom. It's gonna be really important for me to have a space that I can come into and just separate myself a little bit from like mommy life and working life, and just come and feel like I can concentrate and work. And we just need a space like this. Like, I have to stop working at the dining table, on the couch, on the floor. Like, I just need a proper working station. And also we need storage. Like, the shelving unit that we have for this wall, it's really not only, you know, is it gonna look really pretty and be able to stage some stuff, like our camera equipment and whatnot, but like, we really need the storage, especially since we're gonna be cleaning out the baby's room. We need a place to put everything else. So that's the plan. We're gonna start pulling in the IKEA furniture, lay it all out, and hopefully it doesn't take us all day to build because we have to head to my mom's for lunch. But yeah, that's the plan. And then, like I said, we're gonna break this up into a couple of days because we're still waiting on some furniture, and I still wanna order a few more like decorative pieces for this room. Okay, I'm gonna go eat my oatmeal because I'm really hungry, and we'll get started on building the IKEA furniture. So we have some shelves there. And then these are, what, the wall brackets? Yeah. What I liked about these ones too is they're actually made from bamboo instead of, you know, the particle wood. I'll put a photo right here of what these shelves look like when they're completed.
So the studs here?
Yeah.
So this is probably where we're going to want to put the first bamboo
bracket. Oh, Cashew's consulting.
Yeah, so it might not be exactly center, but I think it's better to just start on that and work our way over.
So this shelving unit actually gets built, like mounted first, and then you start building on top of it, like adding the shelves. I thought we were like building it and then mounting it. So I think it's gonna be easier this way, but we're just gonna try to figure out where all the studs are and then just figure out if we can get it pretty centered. But like Matt said, it might be a little bit off. We're gonna get that all marked off so we can get the brackets in the right spot before we start actually like adding on shelves. So how many brackets are there? So update, I'm currently shopping for office supplies and I've kind of abandoned Matt. How's it going?
Good.
Good?
Halfway, I think.
This is like the boring part is putting the brackets on the walls, so I figured I'll help when the shelves start going in. I'm just your cheerleader. I'm here for moral support while online shopping. Looks good? Nice and sturdy. Just 2 more to go. Guys, I can't. Are you comfy? Oh my God. I can't. Okay, you just stay there and relax, okay? For anyone asking if she's needy, the answer is yes. Gotcha. We're gonna do these. So I just got dressed and we're actually about to head to my mom's. So we're gonna have to take a little break, or Matt is gonna have to take a break. I haven't been doing much. This is like the boring part, the brackets and, you know, but you're doing great. So we'll probably finish some more. It'd be nice to get this done today. So when we, okay, Matt says, yeah, now I feel like the shelves are gonna be easier so I can help out with that. And this is kind of, the brackets were kind of just like a 1-person job. So now that we have that done, we're gonna go break for lunch and then come back and like finish doing the rest. So I feel like this is just gonna be a process. And sometimes when you start projects, you have to take breaks because you got other commitments going on. Anyways, I'm gonna get up, which takes me a while these days.
Basically, we're just gonna line it up on these guys.
It's like I'm taking full credit for all this, just because I'm putting the shelves on. They're so snug, you have to get it just right. You got it? Mm-hmm. Nice job. And now you just have to screw them all in. Looks good. Wow. It is currently day 2 of office reno, and I just wanted to show you guys all the cute pots and plants that I picked up over the last couple of days. So I found some like these artificial flowers for some vases that I have. These are really cute, just to add to the real ones. I got a lot of little succulents and plants, and then just some more little accessories. But yeah, these little guys were a really good deal. I think they were, what were they? 99 cents for the big ones, and then I think 60 cents for the little ones. So did I pay for these separate? Wait. Oh, that's how they get you. The saucers are $1.40. Oh, that's how they get you. But anyway, still a good price for these little terracotta pots. The plan is to also add some like camera equipment and stuff, so it's actually storage. And then tonight I'm actually putting another order through IKEA for some bins that we're gonna put on the bottom for actual storage. They have lids on them, so I think those will look really cute. But I basically want to start potting all of these plants so that way I can keep them alive. And I got so many cute pots and like, I guess more pots. I got a bunch of them from actually Indigo that were all on sale, and I just got a few knickknacks. Some stuff might go in the living room, like this elephant or this little chest guy, but I just got a bunch of things that I thought would look really good together, and I'm just gonna play around, pot all my plants today, and then start adding like camera equipment and other things on here, because this room is gonna be a process while we're waiting for things that are on back order. So I thought today would be plant day, because it's raining outside. I got more plants out there, by the way. I got a little snake plant. I got this little planter that we're gonna put in one of these corners here. Then we also have to move some stuff. Like I wanna move these downstairs, and then I wanna start actually clearing out this closet here and figuring out what we need up here and what we can either donate, sell, or move downstairs. Let the planting begin. Honestly, like even just having it like this looks so freaking cute. This is my new hobby, crazy plant lady. 2020. Step number 1 is figuring out which plants are gonna go in which pots. Oddly enough, I got the exact amount of plants we needed. That was total fluke. I was not that organized. So I'm just gonna figure that out first before I actually start potting, and then I'm gonna get these all into their designated pots. Let's do this.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Another day, another build. So we are actually, well, Mr. Matt is starting on the desk since we picked up the actual top of it yesterday. So yeah, he's just starting on the leg. So there's 2 pieces. There's like an easel leg, and then there's an Alexa drawer that's also gonna be a leg. He's building the Finvard first. Hi, Miss Cashew, you coming? Okay.
Finvard.
All right, I'm gonna go make some pancakes for breakfast. I just finished my morning yoga stretches. Good luck, Sir Matthew. Can you make it? So he just built the base in the garage.
Yeah.
Now you just have to do the drawers?
Yeah.
All right, let's go break for breakfast. High five. Stop. Okay, clean your dirty pots, Cashew. So this is what it looks like with the top. It's a pretty solid wooden piece. I would highly recommend this. It's not just particle board. Cashew's inspecting. Please no licking the furniture. But I was telling Matt, I don't even think we need to secure it. He's checking the instructions, but it's pretty solid and heavy. So we're just gonna put the drawers on here. And then I do have some stuff that I wanna put up here, so I don't know if we're gonna do that today. But it's so far looking good. Like this is a nice big surface to work on. So Matt had a great idea. I was gonna do these just side by side, but he did them staggered. And then we're gonna do the little IKEA LED shelf next to it. Double level. So we're gonna be putting our vision boards on this wall here. Finally going up. They've been in the guest room for the last year? No, 6 months. All right, so our light just came in today, so Matt's just doing his best electrician skills.
I think I had a good grip on it, Cashew.
Cashew's like so scared. So this is the light. It's a bamboo one that we got from IKEA, and I think it's gonna match our greenhouse theme in here. Gotta refer to the directions.
Yeah, I just don't know.
Done! Ta-da!
Yeah, that's not too.
It's not too long. Cashew got a new toy today! Is that your lamb? You supervising? Oh, she's so cute. She already tore off an ear. Poor lamb.